Hi there everyone. Today we're going to be cleaning these keys. They're from my 1981 Ford F-150 Custom XLT Ranger. Originally, Teddy Bear was my father's. He'd use what little money he had to make sure that Teddy would keep going. Lord knows I will too. Old Teddy Bear is a 4-speed manual 4x4, and I will always love her forever until the end. Keep an eye out for the next video where I go out to my dad's in the valley and I clean all the snow off of old Teddy Bear. We'll be using a variety of products today: Heirloom Paint Stripper, Goo Gone Adhesive Remover, and Goo Paint Cleaner. Hopefully we'll get these puppies much cleaner. After cleaning, we'll do a nice polish with the Dremel tool too. I'll be using 3 sections of this sponge to clean with today. These keys have been outside for an extended period of time. During that time, they've got caked up with a variety of grease, carbon, and other impurities that you probably wouldn't want on your keys. First off, we'll be using the Goo Paint Cleaner on the gas cap key and make sure that we're getting it well lubricated with this stuff. I find it cleans a variety of things, including your hands, quite well. So I'm hoping this key will turn out just the same. Got a nice dollop there, and I'm going to make sure that I disperse it evenly all around the key, getting in all those little grooves in that. The following product we'll be using is Goo Gone Adhesive Remover. Next up, we're going to be cleaning off the door key. Now this one here in particular, I'm really hoping gets nice and clean, as it has seen its fair share of grime. There's almost a sticky residue to it, which is why I've picked the Goo Gone Adhesive Remover for it. I will say sometimes Goo Gone can leave a little bit of a greasy residue afterwards, but I'm not too concerned. Getting a good coating on either side just to make sure that I get the best chance possible to get this as clean as I possibly can. And lastly, we're going to be using the Heirloom Paint Stripper. Now this stuff is a gel. I find that it works really well in a variety of other cleaning tasks. But this here is the ignition key, pretty basic. As you can see, it's got less going on, but there is some finer teeth at the end there, and it'd be really nice to get this one good and clean, as you don't really want to get any crud into the tumbler if at all possible. So I'm gonna get this one nice and clean. Now as you can kind of see here, it's definitely more of a gel, but that's alright. It works really well, so I'll definitely give it that. It's so goopy, but I gotta give it a little bit more for good measure. That way we get an even coating all over the key. Now that we got all 3 keys in their cleaner, we're gonna set 10 minutes on the old cardinal clock. And yeah, I'm really hoping that over the duration of this brief time that we get some serious results. I hope you guys are all enjoying this so far. Now this clock, just for reference, was made in Czechoslovakia, better known as the Czech Republic and Slovakia now. I hope you all like this next bit. And now, the sound you've all been waiting for. This here old clock still sounds wonderful, tell you what. Time's up. Let's clean them. Now first up is the gas key. I was actually thoroughly surprised at how this one turned out. After giving it a thorough scrub and rinse, you can see it's now glistening. I was very happy. One thing is for sure, Goo Gone hand cleaner is for more than just hands, I can tell you that much. The results could not be clearer. Goo Gone hand cleaner did a great job. Very impressed. I'm quite interested to see how the Goo Gone adhesive remover did with this door key, especially considering that there was a fair amount of sticky grime on this that I really could not explain why it was there. After a thorough scrub, I can definitely say that this one did come out quite nicer. It's definitely less sticky, and around all the bits that matter are definitely a lot cleaner. I'd say that this did a fairly good job, although it did leave a kind of oily residue afterwards, but I knew from using it to expect that. But overall, the results are pretty good. I'm quite happy with how this turned out. And now, the best for last, the ignition key. Now, Heirloom Paint Stripper is definitely a gel, but it's a great multi-purpose cleaner. I will say that this one took slightly less scrubbing, as the cleaner did a really good job of getting all the grime out of it. There was a lot of built-up residue, whether it was carbon, dirt, or other just tar, and I was actually thoroughly surprised at how easy all the grime came off. I was expecting it to be more difficult and take a lot more scrubbing, but I will definitely say Heirloom Paint Stripper did a great job. That magic little gel in a jar does wonders, I can say that much. Before and after, you can definitely see around the rim of the key and all the bits that matter. It's a lot better. Last but not least, we're going to do the final step, which is buffing with the Dremel tool. Now I've got just a very basic buff pad on here, just to make sure that it's not going to be too abrasive. I'm so surprised at how nice and polished these keys got with just a small amount of Dremel polishing. It really goes to show that a little can go a long way. Wow, these keys sure did turn out good. From dirty, grimy, and covered in God knows what, to getting all that grime off, the keys are so shiny now. It's crazy. With just a slight little polish with the Dremel tool, they're absolutely amazing now. Thanks everyone for watching. Keep an eye out for new videos that come out. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.